dancing competition. And we have 4 entries for this year. Ayan, napapunta na po sila dito. So sa mga tao po na nandito sa round ball, bawal na po tayong tumawid dahil forward na po ang ating entry number 1 for the mini showdown here at the round ball. Then after which, pwede po kayong pumunta mamaya sa South Cotabato Sports Complex to witness the grand finale or the grand showdown of our street dancing competition. And of course, on this side, makikita po natin ang ating mga drummers. Ayan, later on, ang exit po nila nito ay nandito sa ating left side. So dapat po yung mga tao nandito, kailangan alert po kayo mamaya sa pag-open. Yung mga dalang bata, ayan, please, pakihawakan nyo po yung mga anak ninyo kasi mamaya after ng performance nila dito sa harap, mabilisan po ang pag-exit nila papunta dyan kasama ng mga drum sets. So sa may mga anak po or may mga kasamang mga bata dyan na side, please be aware na mamaya po mabilisan po ang pag-open dyan kasi magtatakbuhan po sila dyan mamaya. Alright, maraming salamat. So nakikita na po natin, ayan, on our streets along Jensen Drive is our entry number 1. So later on, we will witness their mini showdown performance. Alright, so for your information, Coronadaleños, we have 4 entries for our street dancing competition. Our entry number 1 is from Barangay Buwal, Isulan, Sultan Kudarat. We have the Adat Kalimot Performing Arts. Ayan. So as we can see along Jensen Drive, ayan, papunta na po sila dito sa harap ng ating round ball for their mini showdown performance. Our entry number 2 from UPI, Maguindanao del Norte. We have St. Francis Episcopal School of UPI Incorporated Performing Arts. Gildasan yung mga taga-UPI, Maguindanao del Norte. Isang pukpok naman dyan! Ayun. Ulitin natin yung entry number 1 para makapag-ano din sila. Nasa naman ang entry number 1 from Barangay Buwal, Isulan, Sultan Kudarat. Ayun. And of course, we have our entry number 3. We have from Municipality of Santo Niño, South Cotabato. We have Hamongayaw Performing Arts Group of Panay National High School. Nasaan ang mga taga Panay National High School?
2026.
Ayun, and ready na yung kanilang mga propsmen. Sa propsmen po ng entry number 3, yung mga naka-yellow, baka pwede po munang isang-aside natin yung mga backdrop ninyo ata yan. Kasi para maka-forward pa ang entry number 1 and number 2. Maraming salamat. And of course, our last but not the least entry, we have entry number 4 from Maguindanao del Norte. We have Sultan Kudarat Performance
sa ating pinakahihintayan na selebrasyon, ang Hinugyaw Festival 2026.
And of course, sa lahat po ng mga nanonood sa ating live via Facebook Live, live po tayo sa ating City Government official Facebook page. And shoutout po sa lahat ng mga nanonood dyan. Hello sa inyong lahat. And of course, sa mga nandyan sa abroad at hindi nakauwi ng Coronadal City. And please witness the grand finale of Hinugyaw Festival 2026. And so kaninang umaga nagkaroon tayo ng ating drumline competition. Alright, and at this evening we will have our street dance competition. So later on, after the mini showdown, we can proceed and we're inviting everyone to witness the grand finale or the grand showdown of our street dance competition at South Cotabato Sports Complex. Mamaya hapon na po yun or mamaya gabi after ng ating mini showdown.
Sama-sama natin buksan ang
approaching
pintuan ng ating kultura. Ipakita at ipagmalaki sa mundo ang ganda at kasarinlan ng Coronadal. Muli,
Baliwag
po ang
Performing
inyong
Arts.
DC
Alright, so sa mga nandito po sa round ball, iwasan na po natin ang pagtawid. Most especially may mga dalang bata, pakihawakan po natin yung mga anak natin. Basi madula ang nanay. Alright, ayawan kapangita ang bata. Pwede ba mag-shout out? Shout out kay Dan sa Pahantanasan ka na. Pumunta ka na dito.
Ngayong ipinagdiriwang natin ang Hinugyaw
Alright,
Festival
sige.
2026 sa ating mahal na lungsod ng Coronadal. Iniimbitahan
And
ko
of course, sa
kayong
lahat
lahat
po na
na
napopost sa
makita
Facebook,
sa
you can use
makulay
our
at
official
magandang selebrasyon
hashtag
ng ating
Hinugyaw Festival
kultura, tradisyon at pamumuhay bilang mga tunay
And of course,
na
we're inviting also
Coronadalenyo.
everyone.
Ang
Meron po
Hinugyaw
tayong disco
Festival
sakali
ay
mamaya alas 9
pagkakataon
po yan ng gabi
ipagpakita ang
dito
ating
sa ating
pagkakaisa,
Jensen Drive. And of course,
pagmamalasakit
along
sa
Alunan Avenue
komunidad
din.
at
And of course, makakasama din po
sa
natin
mayamang
mamaya after
pamana
ng ating
na naghubog sa
anniversary
ating
program
lungsod.
sa gabi, which is
Halina't
our street dancing
ipagdiwang ang
competition
isang
also.
maliit na lungsod
Makakasama
na
po
may
natin mamaya
matayo
for the
na
Mayors and
pangarap.
Celebrity Night.
A small
ang
city
Dahuan
with
Band.
big
Alright,
dreams.
magpe-perform po
Ito
sila mamaya
ang
sa
Coronadal.
loob ng South Cotabato
Ako po,
Sports
ang
Complex.
inyong
After po yan ang ating street
Brigada
dance
Konsehala
showdown.
Maria Esther Marin 14. Sama-sama nating ipakita
And of
ang
course,
sigla
shout out
at
din pala
mahusay
sa ating
na
City
Coronadal.
Mayor. Our City Mayor
Maghinugyaw
is
kita.
watching live via
Maghinugyaw
Facebook.
kita.
Kaya sa lahat po ng mga
Magsinadya
nanonood
kita.
sa Facebook
Mayong
live natin,
adlaw,
hello,
mga
shout out sa
palangko,
inyong lahat, most
Coronadal.
especially to our City
Ginatayo
Mayor,
ka
Honorable
pa mo
Eliono
sa
Euhena. Hello, Mayor.
86th
Shout out sa iyo
foundation anniversary
dyan. And of
and
course,
happy 36th
you can share our
Hinugyaw
Facebook
Festival.
Live. Just visit the official
Nag-ibig
Facebook
ako na
page
makaupo sa
of the
inyo
City
sa
Government of
pagtulong
Coronadal.
sa ating
Alright, ladies
Hinugyaw
and gentlemen,
Festival
approaching.
2026.
We have our
Ang
entry
Hinugyaw,
number 1
hindi lang
from
masadya na
Barangay
selebrasyon.
Buwang, Isulan,
Iniman
Sultan
ang
Kudarat,
pagtimaan sa
Adak
fundasyon
Kalimon
sa Coronadal
Performing
ay nagpakita
Arts.
sa matahong nga
So
kultura.
requesting everyone, most
kasaysayan,
especially yung mga nasa
kagaylaing
gilid po,
katawhan
pwede po
sa
nating
atong syudad.
iurong
Kini nga
konti.
festival,
Ayan,
nagapaputyan
atras po tayo
sa
ng
atong
konti
kasadya.
para hindi tayo matamaan na may
Kagkaisog
kanilang mga
sa
props.
atong
Nakita
mga
nyo naman ang
pumulong.
lalaki ng mga
Ang
props nila.
kadalasan sa atong
Ayan, ladies and
tradisyon,
gentlemen,
kag ang
we will give our
pagbigay,
first entry.
nagapaligon sa aton komunidad. Samtang nagahupong
We will
kita
give our
sa
first
sayaw,
entry
musika,
in 2 minutes
kag magulang
preparation
nga
for the mini
selebrasyon.
showdown.
Dumdumon naton ang mga bilidhon nga nagapabakod sa aton pagkakaradaleno. Pagrespeto, pagidait, kag pagpalangga sa aton pinalangga nga syudad. Padayon ta nga pasanyugon ang aton sining kag kultura bilang mga Coronadaleños. Ako ang inyong konsihal, Maylene May Bascondi Guzman, naglilingkod, nagmamahal, nagmamalasakit. Mabuhay ang Coronadal City and
Sir,
happy
forward pa po tayo ng
Hinugyaw
konti.
Festival.
Sa pag-umpisa sa bagong
Hanggang
tuig,
dito pa sa may
magaselebra
point na
naman
white.
kita sa
Alright,
atong
sige.
ika-86 nga foundation anniversary kag Siyudad sang Coronadal Hinugyaw Festival.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen,
Isa ka
we're waiting for
okasyon
our
nga
first
dapat
entry
mangin
for the mini
masinadyaw
showdown.
kita
Ayan,
tanan
nire-remind ko lamang
bilang
po ang
isa ka
lahat, most
komunidad.
especially yung may mga dalang
Sa pagsaulog sang
bata.
aton
At lalong-lalo na
kapistahan,
po yung mga nandyan na
ginakilala
saan,
naton
and
ang
okay
tanan
na nandyan po
nga nanging
kayo.
parte
Basta
kag
later,
kaupod
after
sa
ng performance
pagpundar
nila,
sa
please
aton
be
komunidad.
aware na biglaan
Lamuman
po
ang
mamaya
source sang aton
pagtakbuhan po
identity
punta dyan ang mga
kag pride
drummers and
bilang isa
performers
ka katawhan.
natin. So mag-ingat
Ang
po
tanan
tayo,
nga
most
sakripisyo,
especially may mga dalang
kag
bata.
pagpursigi,
Maraming salamat.
kag pagpanikamo.
Alright,
Sang
so we're
tanan
just
nga
waiting
mga
for the
nauna
cue,
sa
ladies
aton,
and gentlemen,
ang
to
mangingiya
start our
naton
mini
para
showdown
padayon
here
nga
at
mapauwad
Rumble
naton
along
kag
Jensen
manging
Drive.
progresibo
The mini
ang
showdown
aton
of
na
our four
syudad.
entries for this
Gabay
year's
pa,
street dancing
napadayon kita nga
competition
mag-isa
and celebration
kag
of the
magbinuligay
86th Foundation
sa mga
Anniversary
challenges
and
kag problema
26th
nga aton
Hinugyaw
matubang.
Festival.
Ang bagong
Alright.
tuig ang magahatag sa aton sang bago nga kabaskog kag bago nga handom para sa mas progresibo nga syudad sang Coronadal. Ini ang inyo abyan, Konsihal Edwin Abriz, nagatamyaw sa inyo tanan sang isa ka malipayon nga pagsaulog sang aton 86th Foundation
30
Anniversary
seconds left.
kag syudad sang Coronadal Hinugyaw Festival. Ururupod kita sa bagong Coronadal.
Coronadaleños, this is your City Councilor, Handle the Babes Cadilleno Covilo, sharing my warm greetings as we celebrate the joyful and colorful Hinugyaw Festival.
And
Hinugyaw
now, ladies
Festival
and
is more than
gentlemen,
just a celebration.
Coronadaleños,
It
let's
is a
witness
symbol
the
of our
first
unity,
entry for the mini
history,
shootout
and love for
performance. We have
culture.
entry
It
number
is a
1
time to
from
honor our
Barangay
heritage,
Buwal, Isulan,
celebrate our
Sultan
achievements,
Kudarat.
and
We
inspire
have
one
Adak
another to
Kalimon
continue
Performing
building
Arts.
a
Your
city.
time starts now. Alright, there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Our entry number 1 from Barangay Buwan, Isulan, Sultan Kudarat. We have Adat Kalimod Performing Arts. Palapakan po natin, Coronadaleños! Our entry number 1, and of course later on, mawitness po natin ang kanilang final performance for the final showdown. Diyan lamang po yan sa South Cotabato Sports Complex. Alright. And now approaching, ladies and gentlemen, along Johnson Drive, our entry number 2 from UP Maguindanao del Norte. Alright. And of course, once again, sa lahat po naman nanonood sa ating Facebook Live, ayan, and of course, shout out po sa inyong lahat, most especially to our City Mayor na nanonood po sa ating Facebook Live. Shout out po, Honorable City Mayor Eliardo U. Ojeda. Alright, and of course, sa lahat po ng Coronadaleños, if you want to share your Facebook post, our official hashtag is the Hinugyo Festival 2026. And while waiting for the entry number 2, we are inviting you all after our mini showdown. You can proceed to our South Cotabato Sports Complex to witness the final grand showdown of our street dancing competition. And of course, after which, makakasama po natin mamaya ang ating celebrity guest for our Mayor's Night and Celebrity Night. We have the Juan Band. Ayan, after po yan ng ating grand showdown of the street dancing competition. And of course, mamaya magkakaroon din po tayo ng pamalakasang fireworks display. Ayan, in line with the celebration of the 86th Foundation Anniversary and 26th Hinugyo Festival. Alright, now ladies and gentlemen, as we can see approaching along Jensen Drive is our entry number 2. All the way from UP Maguindanao del Norte, we have St. Francis Episcopal School of UP Incorporated Performing Arts Guild. And for your information, meron po tayong 4 na entries for this year's street dancing competition in line with the celebration of the Hinugyo Festival 2026. Alright? And reminder sa lahat po na may mga hawak na mga bata, huwag po natin pakawalan ang inyong mga anak, most especially sa may mga hawak na mga cellphone. Please be mindful sa inyong pong mga personal na mga gamit. Ayan, baka mawala ang inyong mga gamit dyan. Basta nalingaw na kamukatanaw-tanaw. And please be aware. Ayan, meron po tayong mga kapulisan dyan sa palibot. Ayan, kung may nakita kayong mga kababalaghan or basi iban ang hulag sa inyo tupad, kindly inform our city police. Ayan. So now, ladies and gentlemen, approaching to our round ball, which is our entry number 2, all the way from UP Maguindanao del Norte. Nasaan ang mga taga-UP Maguindanao? Wow, ang dami nyo! Welcome to the city of Coronadal, the crown city of the South. Ayan, later on after ng street dancing competition, pwede kayong gumala along Alonan Avenue. Welcome po kayo dito sa crown city of the South. Ayan, mga bisita natin from UP Maguindanao. And of course, mamaya meron po tayong disco sa kalye, ayan, along Johnson Drive, and of course, along Alonan Avenue, pwede kayo makidisco sa lahat ng mga Coronadaleños. Alright, so we're just waiting for our entry number 2, ayan, for their mini showdown performance. Alright, so we will give time for our entry number 2, for the preparation of their mini showdown. Once again, sa lahat po ng mga nanonood via Facebook Live, and shout out po sa inyong lahat. Sa lahat po na may mga audience na sa gilid, sir, our Sir Army in uniform, pa-backward daw po konti, requested by entry number 2. Ayan, kung kanina nakita niyo na bonggang-bongga ang number 1, okay, ang number 2 nag-request talaga na kung pwede, move pa daw po tayo backward. Ayan, kasi mas marami sila. Alright? So we will give 2 minutes to our entry number 2 for the preparation for the mini showdown. So once again, ladies and gentlemen, this is in line with the celebration of the 86th Foundation Anniversary and 26th Hinugyo Festival of the City of Coronadal. Alright, ladies and gentlemen. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, please help me welcome our second entry from UP Maguindano del Norte. We have St. Francis Episcopal School of UP Incorporated Performing Arts Guild. Your time starts now.
Stop!
Tiduri Maguindanao, Ilonggo, Ilocano, lahat sila nagsama-sama at nagkaisa, naglilinis, nagtatanim at nagpapaganda, mula sa aming bayan na pinakamamahal. Hindi ang aming bayan, pinakamamahal. Sana hindi kawalan ang kapayapaan mo.
Alright, there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. That was entry number 2 from UP Maguindano del Norte. Let's give it up for St. Francis Episcopal School of UP Incorporated Performing Arts Guild. Thank you so much. See you later at South Cotabato Sports Complex. And once again, ladies and gentlemen, sa lahat po ng mga nandito sa Round Ball, and we are inviting you to witness later on the grand showdown or grand finale of our street dance competition at South Cotabato Sports Complex. And now approaching our entry number 3, all the way from Alright, approaching, we have entry number 3 from Maguindanao del Norte, we have Sultan Kudarat Performing Arts Ensemble. And by the way, ladies and gentlemen, Coronadaleños, ayan ang ating pong 4 na entries ay nagmula pa po sa mga ibang lugar. We have from Sultan Kudarat, we have from UP Maguindanao, and of course, we have also from Maguindanao del Norte, and from Municipality of Santo Niño. They are not just here to compete, but they are here also to celebrate with us, together with the Coronadaleños, in line with the celebration of the 86th Foundation Anniversary and 26th Hinugyao Festival. Alright? And of course, later on, after ng ating grand finale sa ating sports complex, magkakaroon po tayo ng Mayor's Night and Celebrity Night. Makakasama po natin mamaya si Lucky Nicole Galendez, our tawag ng tanghalan, 9th edition second placer all the way from the Municipality of Tupi. And later on, makakasama din po natin mamaya ang The One Band. Ayan, mamaya na po yan. And magkakaroon din tayo ng bongga at pangmalakasang fireworks display, after which ng ating street dance showdown. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, now approaching, we have our entry number 3 from Maguindanao del Norte. We have Sultan Kudarat Performing Arts Ensemble. Alright. Dalawa na lamang po ang ating mawi-witness for the mini showdown. But no worries, later on, see you at South Cotabato Sports Complex. After po dito, proceed po tayo agad doon sa ating South Cotabato Sports Complex para magkaroon kayo ng comfortable seats to witness the grand showdown. Yung grand finale na talaga nila. Kung bongga-bongga yung mini showdown ngayon, abangan nyo po sila mamaya sa kanilang grand finale showdown talaga. Dahil doon nyo makikita ang lahat-lahat na ng kanilang performance together with their all props and backdrops na. Alright? And now, ladies and gentlemen, we'll give to our entry number 3 for the preparation. We have 2 minutes preparation. And once again, sa lahat po ng mga nandito sa round ball, most especially may mga dalang bata, yung mga nasa gilid, move backward daw po tayo konti, requested by entry number 3. Maraming salamat. Most especially yung mga nandyan po sa ating music pool. And maraming salamat. Coronadaleños, I know mababait ang mga Coronadaleños at marunurin. Ayan, so move backward po tayo konti. Alright? So we're just waiting for the cue of the choreographer of entry number 3. And if you want to post any photos on Facebook, we have our official hashtag. Kindly use the official hashtag, Hinugyao Festival 2026. Alright, so I think they are ready. Are we ready, Sir George? Alright, wala pa. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Coronadaleños, atin pong saksihan ang performance ng entry number 3 for the mini showdown from Maguindanao del Norte. Let's give it up for Sultan Kudarat Performing Arts Ensemble. Your time starts now!
Your time starts now! Tara! Sayaw! Hinugyao!
Hey! from Maguindanao del Norte, let's give it up for Sultan Kudarat performing Ours and Some. Thank you so much. Ayan, later on, after ng ating street dancing competition, see you here at Jensen Drive and Alunan Avenue. Magdi-disco tayo, ha? Ang daming gwapo. Oh, wait lang. Binanggarak. Ang daming gwapo naman from UP. Ay, from Maguindanao del Norte. Wow. Alright, see you later. Kuya Mar, ang daming gwapo sa entry number 3. Ikaw agad pala naghambal. By the way, ladies and gentlemen, nabitin ba kayo? No worries, dahil mamaya meron pa yan. 3 minutes lang kasi yung kanilang mini showdown dito. But later on, ayan, makikita nyo talaga ang kanilang grand showdown at South Cotabato Sports Complex. Ayan, so we are here at the Jensen Drive and we are witnessing the last entry for our street dancing competition, which is our entry number 4 from Municipality of Santo Niño, South Cotabato. We have Hamongayo performing Arts Group of Panay National High School. Ayan, so while waiting for our entry number 4, we are inviting everyone to witness our grand showdown later on at South Cotabato Sports Complex. After which, makakasama din po natin ang ating Lucky Nicole Galendez all the way from Tupi. Ayan, kababayan natin dito sa South Cotabato. Ayan, our second placer of Tawag ng Tanghalan 9th edition. Makasama po natin yan mamaya doon sa South Cotabato Sports Complex. And after the street dance showdown, makasama din po natin sa Mayor's Night and Celebrity Night ang The One Band and many more. Marami po tayong surprises later on and live celebration of the 86th Foundation Anniversary and 26th Sinugyao Festival of Coronadal City. Ayan, sa lahat po ng mga bisita natin na nandito sa Coronadal City, welcome po tayong lahat to the Crown City of the South. And we are inviting also everyone to makisayaw mamaya sa mga Coronadaleños dahil magkakaroon po tayo ng disco sa kalye. Ayan, mamaya po yan, alas 9 ng gabi. O ayan na, nagbubudots-budots na si Madam. From ano ba yan? Top Gun Radio ka, ma'am? Ay, hindi. Ayan, sige. Alright. Andito na sila, they are ready. And shout out kay ma'am na teacher nila. Kahapon pa talaga si ma'am, very supportive. Ayan, very stage mother. Si ma'am? Ma'am Fale, are you the principal, ma'am? Teacher in charge? Wow. Coordinator. Ayan, kahapon pa kita na witness sa South Cotabato Sports Complex. Very supportive si ma'am. Galingan nyo para hindi masayang ang effort ng mga teachers ninyo. Alright. Nasa na ang mga taga Santo Niño? Ready na ba kayo? Alright, so we're just waiting for the cue of our choreographer. Ayan. Alright, we're just waiting for the cue of the choreographer. Nasa na ba si Sir? Okay na. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Coronadaleños, ating punkto ngayon, ang last entry for this year's street dancing competition for Hinugyao Festival 2026, our entry number 4 from Municipality of Santo Niño, South Cotabato. Let's give it up for Hamongayo Performing Arts Group of Panay National High School. Your time starts now! Hinugyao, concludes our entry number 4. We have from Municipality of San Antonio, South Cotabato. Wow, we have Hamungayo Performing Arts Group of Panay National High School. And that concludes our mini showdown for this year's street dancing competition. Sa lahat po naman nanonood, see you at South Cotabato Sports Complex. We're inviting you to witness the grand showdown of the street dancing competition all the way from South Cotabato Sports Complex. Coronadaleños, see you there once again. It's Marky Delosa, your on-the-spot host. Maraming salamat. Are you happy to see me? Thank you so much, everyone. Coronadaleños, and see you later at South Cotabato Sports Complex. Bye, everyone.